Navigating the process of changing an ex-partner's contact name following a breakup can be challenging, but there are many solutions tailored to different post-relationship dynamics. The options range from lighthearted and humorous nicknames, such as those intended for a good laugh, to more creative and savage names that reflect relationship-breaking qualities or messy endings. For those struggling with maintaining boundaries, try practical do not contact reminders, such as DNR, do not respond, or warning, do not contact until they apologize, which are designed to discourage unwanted communication. Conversely, if lingering feelings are present, there are gentler suggestions like Old Flame or The One I'm Healing From. Ultimately, these name options serve as tools to help individuals manage their emotions and move forward, whether through humor, creative expression, or setting firm boundaries.